Do you want to have be a productive leader? So everybody would like to have a be a productive leader, right? So I'll I'll give you some pointers as to what I talk in the webinar. So what I do is, because you want to be a productive leader, you are looking to be your personality needs to be assessed, right? What kind of leader you are already. So that one will be our first task. So I have, because it takes a lot of time, I have 4 tests, online tests, which you can take. But I have kept one pointer about 18 kind of personalities I have chosen and kept it. So right now about 6 I have chosen. Anyways, we can elaborate that, and in any case we are not going to talk about that anymore, because when you come to the course you will get to know as to which personality type you are. But I'll give you the links wherein you can test all by yourself, right? You don't need to come to my course in the beginning. So that is the first thing that we do. The second thing is, I talk about 3 secrets and a technique, uh, as to why I have used that technique and how it is different from um, other leadership growth techniques. For me, leadership growth is something where you grow as a leader and at the same time you feel fulfilled. So that is my idea of leadership growth. Then the third is, um, so your personality will be assessed, and then which category of pain point that you have, right? So that one we will decide, and then I have 10 solutions, right, which you can choose. I say every leader needs to have all those, needs to manage all those broadly. But I'll ask you 2 questions about reality check, your mindset check, how you see yourself, how you respond, and that is the first two about reality check. There are 5 components of um, resilience, which is the second, how you will be proving yourself to be dependable. So there are 5. Then there are 3 about how to reach beyond, how you will utilize your time to be super productive, and someday you will be a super productive leader. So that those 3 are there. So these will, in total there will be 10 points that we will be talking. Then how I manage that and how I qualify to be your teacher, that one I'll do. And there will be several frameworks, those are available, about 30 frameworks are available, which I'm still working on. And it will be easier for me, it will be easier for me if you come to the webinar and tell your problem, right? Which one you focus out of those 10, which one is the first one that you would like to work on. If you give me that, then the framework will be ready instantly, right? Uh, how will get to it, because the back uh, the background work is done as to how it should be, but that doesn't have a problem right now. It will be specific to a person, because the same problem will be different for different people based on the personality type. Personality is what? Your experience from the childhood, right? So um, each of you will get a framework under those 30 points, and you will have something designed for you, and you can mind it, your personality changes over time, right? So the framework will remain constant, but you will change over time, and it will be a good thing to observe yourself, because only you will be observing yourself as to how you are growing from right now, whatever version you are, to the next version, so that you can achieve your vision, your dream, which should be a huge vision, right? That is what keeps you on track. So those will be what I'll be talking in the webinar. So see you there. Register, by the way, uh, the below, wherever you will see this video, there will be a link below. If you register there, only then you can get the link in the mail, right? And there is a WhatsApp group also. You can come to my WhatsApp group also, so that I can post the webinar link out there, right? Come, the webinar is one place where we can know each other. I will know your problem and I can design your solution. So see you there.